Hello children, so today we are going to learn about red knobless cylinder presentation would be horizontal and vertical presentation. So this is the knobless cylinder red, that is box 3. For this activity you require a mat and the red knobless cylinder. So you're just going to place it aside. First you place it randomly. So you've placed all of these randomly. When you're removing it from the box, you have to use only your 2 fingers and the thumb. Keep it aside. Then you get any red sheet and you have to place it vertically. So first I will show you. Here the child also learns the concept of thick and thin. This is thick, this is thin. Thick and thin. Thick and thin. Let me put it back. Now you have to place it on this red sheet vertically. You have to check the diameter also. So you can see we've made a long tower vertically. So you can see we've gone from thick to thin. Thick to thin. So first you saw we had placed it vertically, that is from thick to thin. Now we are going to place it horizontally. First you place it randomly and then you start picking it up from thick to thin. So you can ask the child to find the thick one and place it. You have to make sure the child uses 2 fingers and the thumb to lift the cylinders. So this is the way we place it horizontally. So we've gone from thick to thin. This is the thickest and this is the thinnest. This is a little more thin compared to this one. So thick and thin. Thin, thick. So this is the way you have to place the red knobbless cylinders vertically and horizontally. After you finish, you have to get the box and put it back in the box. While you're putting it back in the box, make sure you're still using your 2 fingers and a thumb. This is how you do the knobbless cylinder activity. This activity aims in developing the child's visual perception of dimension. It develops judgment in the size through discrimination of graduation of thickness and height. It also develops fine muscle coordination, movement and extended concentration through comparisons of series of graded cylinders. It develops concentration, independence and creativity. Thank you, children.